The two men. In a quiet, peaceful village, there lived a wise Zen master known for his wisdom and understanding of life. One day, two men, both considering moving to this village, came to seek his advice.
Master, I'm thinking of moving to this town. What's it like?
Tell me, what was your old town like?
It was dreadful. Everyone was hateful. I hated it.
This town is very much the same. I don't think you should move here.
The first man left, disappointed and frustrated, believing that this new town would be no better than the one he had left behind.
Master, I'm thinking of moving to this town. What's it like?
Tell me, what was your old town like?
It was wonderful. Everyone was friendly, and I was happy. Just interested in a change now.
This town is very much the same. I think you will like it here.
The second man left, feeling joyful and excited about his new adventure, confident that this town would be as wonderful as his last. The Zen master's words were simple but profound. He understood that it is not the town or the people that shape our experiences, but the way we perceive the world around us. We carry our mindset with us wherever we go, and it colors our experiences. Your life is the reflection of your thoughts. Remember, wherever you go, you take yourself with you.